Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your site address in Google Search Console. In another way, how to let Google Search Console knows about your site redirection. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, log in to your old site property. In my case, I am changing from blog.benstutorial.com to something like benstutorial.com. So first select the old property, then go to settings, and next to change of address, click on it. And here, as you see, the first step is setup. To change your site address, you must set up a 301 redirect from the old site to the new one and perform any other relevant setup steps. So here I need to set up this 300. I need to set up this redirection. So I will go to my site. This is my website, my old site, blog.benstutorial.com, and the new one is simply benstutorial.com. So since my website uses WordPress, I will log in to my WordPress admin. Now go to plugins, click on add plugin, and here look for redirection. To install a redirection plugin, click on install now on any plugin you want. For example, here I used this plugin called Redirection by John Godley. Click on activate. Now go to settings. Where is the redirection? I will click on refresh this page. Now, after installing this plugin, instead of going to settings, go to tools and click on redirection. Here, select the source, or yes, the source is your old domain. My bad, click on start setup. Monitor permalink changes in WordPress posts. Keep a log of all redirects, and this is good. Click on continue. Now click on finish setup. Ready to begin. Now next to redirections, click on add new. For the source, fill in your old address, and for the new address, I will copy it directly from here. My bad. Go to websites. This is my new address. You should put it in the target URL. And for the redirection, select redirection and click on add redirect. As you see here below code, you should see 301. Which is the type of redirection Google Search Console asked for. Now that we finished or completed the first step, let's check the second one. After performing all your setup tasks, update Google about your site change of address. So here, before this, skip the update Google step if you're moving just from HTTP to HTTPS. Because Google already understands this change or direction by default, or if you make sure that you are a verified owner of both sites. Make sure that you are a verified owner of both sites. So here I am only the verified owner of the old site. So here I should they asked me to add and yes to add both properties here. So I will click on add property, go with URL prefix for easy website ownership verification. I will open my website here to copy the address with the HTTPS. Click on continue. Here my second website. Here if your website uses here you need to verify that you own the second or the new website, which is the added property. Here you can verify ownership by uploading an HTML file to your website, by adding an HTML tag, by already having your website added to Google Analytics, so Google Tag Manager, or by the domain name provider. In my case, since my website is built using Hostinger Website Builder, I will go with the HTML tag verification method. So I will copy this line, go to edit website, my bad, go to edit website, go to more, general settings or integrations, and click on custom code, paste my verification code here, click on save, update website updated. Now go back to Google Search Console, click on verify, and just like that I verified my ownership of the new address. Click on done, and now select the new site from this list. If you don't see it here, simply refresh the page and you will see it. Now this is my new site. Click on validate and update. Failed one or more of the required tests, cannot proceed with the request. Let me test it myself. Yes, it does not work. Check redirect. Page was check redirect. Here I think I have instead of, because I didn't use or I didn't add the HTTPS before my new site address, they added or they use it this way. So I will delete this alt redirection and set up a new one. Source for the target. This is the target I want. Add redirect. So I will test the redirection first. Same thing. View redirect. So here I will use another redirection plugin. I will delete this one or just deactivate it. And this is one of the plugins that you should not, that I do not recommend you use. So I will go with redirection by Inisev. Click on install now. Activate. Stay on safe side. Skip. Now, this time directly go to redirection. Enter from the specific URL. This is the old address. This is the new one. http://basetutorial.com. Click on add this redirect or click on show advanced setups to make sure that you will use the 301 redirection type. Click on add this redirect. Redirection added successfully. Now, before or after refreshing my old site page, it should redirect me to Ben, just from blog.basetutorial.com to simply basetutorial.com. And this is just like that. Now click on try again. Here, if you still don't see this redirection apply, if Google Search Console does not see the redirection yet, just give it a little bit of time. Sometimes they have cache, or sometimes the cache of your website stops them from seeing the new change. So to help them see the new change, I will clear the cache of my old site. So clear cache, clear. I was away from my computer for around 30 minutes, and now let's give it a try again. Same thing from home page. And as you see, I tried after a minute, and the redirection is in the validation, and my website passed the validation. Click on confirm move. This site is currently moving. This is I am moving from this address to this new address, and you can cancel this move from here. Let's go back to the overview page. Let's check the new address. One of your other sites is moving to this site. Let's check the details. Settings. One or more of your other sites is moving to this site. And this is how to let Google Search Console know that you moved or changed your website address. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.